I never thought that I would be here today. I never thought that this is what I'd be studying. I never knew that I was going to do research. And look at me now.
ENERGIZE is a research initiative to connect undergrads to different research labs and to get direct mentorship in those labs.
Research is for everybody. There's so many different skills in research that you can learn regardless of what it is that you're going to end up doing in your career path.
ENERGIZE scholars come up with these most novel methodologies.
And ENERGIZE students like me, for example, I am from Brazil, and as someone who has totally different experiences, totally different points of view that they can add to the ongoing research.
You apply what you learn in class and can earn course credit while gaining hands-on lab experience.
I've learned how to use different software programs, how to write in an academic research-like format.
You're working with participants, you're working with collaborators, you're working with graduate students.
Professors are always so encouraging.
Of course, there's all the serious aspects of it. You have to be rigorous in your research, but at the same time, you're having fun.
It is okay if you do not know what lab you're interested in. We will help you narrow in and figure out what you are interested in.
Research experience is also really beneficial for getting to graduate school as well.
Students get to know what it's like to really explore different questions, get connected to different faculty.
Those faculty often become your letter writers and professional advocates.
You have a mentor who is there to support you.
Having that mentor, that mediator was very, very helpful.
ENERGIZE students can apply for a $5,000 Janessa Shapiro scholarship to help financially.
Participating labs also adapt to each student's needs. Many will amend their GPA requirements for ENERGIZE students.
We take into account their schedule, full-time classes, full-time jobs. We have flexibility in the ways that students can commit their hours.
If you want to learn what research is like, if you want to see what a research assistant position is like, you're a great fit for the ENERGIZE program.
ENERGIZE was the starting point in my research career. That's what ignited, that's what energized my research interests.
The program just really took away the kind of daunting aspects where it's like you look at this mountain that is academia and, just kind of like, okay, this is a good place to put your first step.
You can't know unless you try.